Hi, my name is Khalil. I'm from Cardiff. The reason why it's so important to donate to this appeal, because I know personally friends and family that's affected by the drought in Somalia deeply. People are suffering. There's not enough food to go around. People are starving. So I urge you all, please, kind donations would be grateful. Thank you.
And I'm Shakira. Today we're here on behalf of raising money for the drought in Somaliland. We have a family back home and they've contacted us based on, there's no water or they need, a little bit more help. So raising a little bit of money can go a long way. And I feel like it'll help benefit them a lot. Just as simple how you spend coffee a day or how you spend, £1 a day can help make a massive difference if you donate it.
And please donate generously to save lives and help a lot of people back at home.
If you donate now, it will save life. Thank you very much.
Well, my name is Ali Akbar. I'm the Vice Chair of the Bangladeshi campaign today, which is Bengal Dragons. And I'm really pleased to be here today supporting this good cause, the drought in East Africa. And I think we all should drought because our brothers and sisters who are suffering in Africa, and it's time we all get together and donate whatever we can.
My name is Ali Abdi. I've got family in Somaliland. If you donate today, it will save lives.